Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make animation like Zack D Films. First, let's dive into understanding his distinctive style. He masterfully blends simple visuals with sharp, often deadpan humor. His animations typically feature straightforward character designs and minimal backgrounds, allowing the narrative and comedic timing to shine. The key is to keep your visuals clean and your storytelling concise, often using quick cuts to maintain a fast-paced, engaging rhythm that keeps viewers hooked. To achieve a similar look, selecting the right tools is crucial. Many animators, including those with a style akin to Zack D Films, often use software like Blender or Toon Boom Harmony. A good drawing tablet is essential for creating clean, consistent line art. Don't forget a quality microphone for crisp voiceovers, as audio clarity is paramount for delivering comedic timing effectively in this style of animation. Now, let's walk through the animation process itself. Start with a tightly written script. Zack D Films' humor relies heavily on clever dialogue and quick punchlines. Next, storyboard your scenes simply, focusing on camera angles and character actions. When animating, prioritize key poses to establish movement, then fill in the in-between frames. Remember, simplicity in animation can be incredibly effective, allowing the humor and narrative to take center stage without visual clutter. Finally, sound design and editing are vital for that signature Zack D Films feel. Carefully select sound effects and background music to enhance your jokes and pacing without overpowering the dialogue. Edit your animation tightly, ensuring every cut serves a purpose and maintains a brisk rhythm. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. A polished final product will truly make your animation shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.